Land ownership is a marker in your financial journey. Hi guys, welcome to Business Reviews. Today we're going to talk about property. I've always wanted to make content about property. Today I got my first title, so this seems like a good start. I was really motivated. This video is a thank you, commemoration, and help for people who want to directly buy property from other people. The lack of information prevented me from buying. I knew that buying property was a significant part in my financial journey, but I didn't know how to. If I knew earlier, I could have bought land sooner. One of my biggest fears when purchasing property is when I heard the term dirty title. There are people who scam you out of your hard-earned money. Some sellers ask for down, but you don't have any assurance if what they're selling is real. This information will help you. I'm making this video and a couple of other videos related to property buying. If you'd like to see more of that content, click like and subscribe to this channel. I wish to inform you of things you should know before buying, some things I wish that I knew before buying. Be careful with this advice. This is only for direct buying. If you're buying from a developer, the process for buying is a different process altogether. There are 4 things you need to check before buying property directly. 1, know what you are buying. Number 2, know who you are buying from. Number 3, taxes. And number 4, liens and encumbrances. First one is title authenticity. There are 2 things that you need to check here for the title. The first one is the feel of the paper. The paper should feel like money. They use it for creating banknotes or paper bills. Number 2, if you put the title against the light, it should have the LRA logo, the Land Registration Authority logo. You should get a photocopy of the transfer certificate of the title. Usually, it's the Register of Deeds at the Municipal Hall should be able to provide you this. The title duplicate copy should have the owner's duplicate copy on the left side. There should be a red blot on the lower left for the duplicate copy. Third is, some people don't go through the hassle of reviewing the title specification details and checking that with the actual land area. So you can ask a geodetic engineer to measure it, or you can just go there and measure it yourself and see if that's what they're selling. Number 4, especially if you are going to be using the property in the end, you have to be very careful if you envision yourself there. Some people just don't spend that time to go to the property and look if they imagine themselves living there. Spend some time, go there, watch the place, see if you like the neighborhood, the access, the infrastructure. We'll have another video on how to check for property, what you should be considering. So we'll list those out for you in the next videos. Number 2 is know who you're buying from. The person who owns the title should have the title transferred to them. It should be their name on it. So after you see their name, you have to ask for a government ID and see if that name is theirs. So more often than not, you'd see older people who own the land and it's the child that's trying to sell it. The problem with this is, especially if there are siblings, usually they can easily hide. The child will try to sell, but he doesn't have ownership, or there are other people who have claim on the property. So avoid mixed ownership, medical complications like the owner is dying or something like that. You might need legal representation and all of that. Number 3 is taxes. You have to be careful if the previous taxes of the property have been paid. Problem is, if these have not been paid and you buy the property, you'll be paying for them. So check with the assessor's office. Normally there is an assessor who checks if there are arrears or owing money for the taxes, because you'll be shouldering that, or you can ask for this to be removed from the purchase price. Number 4 is liens and encumbrances. All liens are encumbrances, but not all encumbrances are liens. One of these is a monetary claim and reduces the value of the property, but the transfer of the ownership can still happen. If you like the information in this video, go ahead and click like on the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a couple of more series on land, like I said. Thank you for all the people who helped me get to this financial status. I won't be able to mention everybody, but these are the people I remember right now. If I had extra, I would definitely repay you. Noah, Jason, Alice, Maya, Casey, Mong, Bobot, Nori, Ollie, Denshu, Wang, Deng, Diti, Chachi, Grace, Jeff, Vani, Sai, Mark, Paul, Sachin, Ver, Ivy, Joe, Francis, Julie, Silvers, Jiz, Peter, Mario, Kathy, AC, Marixi, Carlo, Lana, Joan, Aishan, Judy, Dale, Cecil, Vinal, Praveen, Floor, IC, MA, Sam, John, ACN, Colfin, Doris, Marian. I'm happy to announce that things are going according to the master plan. I'm happy today that I got my title. If you want to see more property-related material, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, follow the page. See you for another business reviews. Thanks for watching.